So it's time to clean up some areas in the pasture where there's dirt clumped up and there's some holes, and to try and smooth it out and reseed it.
Perseverance is always the difference between success and failure. There is no failure, there is only quitting.
Having older equipment, stuff eventually wears out and you got to replace things. Is bitching and moaning and complaining never ever fixed whatever it was you were bitching and moaning and complaining about in the first place.
As we go about accomplishing our goals on the farm and in life, things happen we call setbacks. But are they really? It's all a matter of perspective. In mine, all challenges are opportunities for growth and knowledge. Adopting this philosophy has changed my life. Give it a try.
You get the old tractor going and go from there. So here we go. Time to fill up some gas cans around here. Check to see if it's in neutral. It's an old John Deere 1020. So it usually starts right up. So now that I said that, let's see if that holds true.
And all of a sudden, disaster strikes. But is it really a disaster?
So much for that idea for today. One of the drawbacks to having older equipment, so it looks like the fitting itself split right here somewhere where it was spraying out of, so the hose is held up, which is interesting. Having older equipment, stuff eventually wears out and you got to replace things. This isn't too serious, but you know, it's still a pain to have to do it. So what shall we do now? Maybe we'll go check on some, see if any of the starts need to be watered. We could plant a few more starts. Maybe plant some potatoes too, who knows. Got some seeds germinating.
And so we just move on. Keep putting one foot in front of the other, keep making progress, and keep on going.
A lot of people clean this all out. But if you do that, you're taking carbon out of the soil.
It's the next day. It's time to go to work and get her fixed up.
So this is the culprit right here. Hopefully you can see this. And I went and found a fitting for it. I use brake cleaner because brake fluid is hydraulic fluid. You just got to keep moving forward. This is how you live life. You know, you have a little setback, you fix it.
and you learn, you have more knowledge for it. And so it's not really a setback because you're gaining knowledge and you're gaining experience. Finding out what works and what doesn't, and you're able to grow from it. And so here we are, mission accomplished, got it done, and kept on moving forward. Think about it for a minute. If I just parked the tractor and never touched it again, that would be silly, wouldn't it? Of course it would. But sometimes people do that in life. They have a setback and they quit and never come back and accomplish what they intended to accomplish. Don't be that person.
Yeah. Good job.
So let your challenges be opportunities and just keep moving forward. It's really that simple. Life's like a big movie. Grab some popcorn, enjoy the show, and keep moving forward. It's really that simple, my friends. It's really that simple. So I appreciate you watching and listening. This is a first in my series of The Philosophical Farmer. Let me know what you think. Then a couple days later, winter tried to make a comeback, and we got this.
Hailstorm. Hell no.
Water off a duck's back, or hail off a duck's back?
Huh.